Well, I didn't expect this when we got out here. Had some wind last night, but must have been a pretty good wind. The roots aren't really that deep on this thing, so I'll be doing a little sawing. It's a big tree. Lots of limbs. Broke off that little guy there. The tree behind it's already been down. That's definitely one that's got to go because it's only being held up by a couple little pieces. There's one here. And there's another widowmaker over on the other side. It's just not doing very well either. Well, we'll chop her up and get her out of here. Shout out to Steel Chainsaws. Nice cover, but it's good for my Husqvarna